Hello students, welcome to Sourav's classes. This is another question from TIFR 2026 from the section of true false. आज हम लोग a question, this is also a very good question. This is the question about basic criteria of subspaces of a vector spaces. Okay, so देखिए कैसे करते हैं. क्वेश्चन क्या दिया गया है. Let a function f maps R to R is said to be a periodic if we know that f of x plus c equals to fx. So we know that the function f of x plus c equals to fx, when it happens for all x, then the function is called a periodic with period c. Now here given that, so vector space, okay, that V is a vector space of all functions from f maps R to R. All periodic function f maps R to R and f is periodic. Vector space, sorry, no. This is only given that the vector space of all function. Okay. This is only just the vector space of all function. Okay. Now, S is given that is a subspace, or for it's not a subset, it's a subset of V. It's contain those functions of V, f belongs to V, such that f of x plus c equals to fx. That means S is a subset. This is not a subspace. Okay, this is a subset of V, given that this contain all the periodic function. So we have to check whether this set is from a subspace or the vector space V or not. Okay, so let fx equals to sin x and gx equals to sin pi x. Okay, so here f of x plus of 2 pi will give f of x, because sine of x plus of 2 pi will give sin x. That means f of x plus of 2 pi equals to fx, and g of x plus of 2 give gx, because g of x plus of 2 means sine of pi x plus of 2. That means sine of pi x plus of 2 pi, which is nothing but sine pi x. So here we see that, and this is both function true for all x belongs to R. So here fx is also periodic function and gx is also periodic function. Therefore, f and g both are belongs to S. Now, f plus of gx, which is fx plus of gx, which is sin x plus of sin pi x. But this is not a periodic function. Periodic function. This is not a periodic function, because there doesn't exist any c belongs to us as that f plus of g x plus of c will give f plus of gx. So, yes, this is not a periodic function. And we know that for the basic criteria, one of the basic criteria of subspace is that if S is a subset of a vector space V and f and g belongs to V, belongs to S, so for the subspace, the set S should be algebraically closed. That means one of the criteria is f plus of g should be belongs to S. Okay, but here we see that f plus of g, sorry, f plus of g doesn't belong to S. So therefore, S is not subspace of V. So given statement, that a function f may such that for all x belongs to R, then the set of all periodic function is linear subspace, the real vector space. No, the statement is big false because it fails to satisfy the summation algebraic operation f plus of g doesn't belong to S. So the given statement is false. Thank you.